For today's camping, we will going back to Mama Intong's recreational hub. Kung gusto niyo rin na ma-experience ang malabagin na camping na around 2 hours travel time from Manila, then this campsite is a must try. Searchable naman sa Google Maps ang Mama Intong's, and malapit siya sa Little Baguio, magpapuntang Infanta. We pitched our camp for 3 days and 2 nights here, and it only cost us 200 per head per an overnight. So mga 800 pesos lang yung binayaran namin for that 3 days and 2 nights. Raw campsite nga pala to, so you need to bring everything, your food, your water, and you also need to bring your jacket and blanket para sa gabi dahil super lamig din talaga. By the way, during this time na bumalik kami, non-operational na yung mini sari-sari store nila. And by the way, this is not open for car camping, so you cannot camp beside your car. Kung naiinitan ka pa rin, try mong maligo dito sa napakalamig nilang swimming pool. Hindi problema ang tubig dito sa campsite na to dahil underwater sila. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly campsite, you may check out their Facebook page para sa updated rates. And if you are wondering if may signal ba dito, meron naman pero mahina. But they have Wi-Fi. If you still want to stay connected online, you just need to pay 50 pesos per device and it's consumable for 24 hours. Don't forget to bring off lotion or katol kasi medyo malamok sa gabi. Yun lang for this video. Till my next one. Bye!